The mighty Padma River, a force of nature. Stretching over 120 kilometers, it is one of the major rivers in Bangladesh, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of millions. Its waters are a source of life, providing sustenance and livelihood to countless communities along its banks. A lifeline for millions in Bangladesh, but also a barrier. For generations, the Padma River has been both a blessing and a challenge. While it nourishes the land and supports the fishing industry, it also stands as a formidable obstacle, separating families and hindering economic growth. For decades, it divided the southwest region from the rest of the country. The people on either side of the river lived in relative isolation, their lives shaped by the ebb and flow of the Padma. The lack of a direct connection meant that trade, travel, and communication were all hampered, stifling the region's development. A dream emerged, a vision of a bridge. The idea was simple yet profound, to build a bridge that would span the mighty Padma, linking the southwest to the rest of Bangladesh. This vision was not just about steel and concrete, it was about uniting people, fostering economic growth, and creating new opportunities. A bridge to connect communities, to bridge dreams. The Padma Bridge would be more than just a physical structure, it would be a symbol of unity and progress. It would bring people closer, allowing for the free flow of goods, services, and ideas. In 1998, the idea of the Padma Multipurpose Bridge project was born. It was a monumental task, requiring the collaboration of engineers, architects, and policymakers from around the world. The planning stages were meticulous, with every detail carefully considered to ensure the bridge's success, a symbol of hope, of progress, of a brighter future. The construction of the Padma Bridge was a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As the bridge began to take shape, it became a beacon of hope for the people of Bangladesh, a tangible sign that their dreams were within reach. This bridge was more than just infrastructure. It represented a promise to the people of Bangladesh that their lives would be transformed. It was a commitment to improving access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, ensuring that no one was left behind. A promise to unlock the potential of a nation. The Padma Bridge would open up new markets for farmers, allowing them to sell their produce more easily and at better prices. It would enable local businesses to thrive, creating jobs and boosting the economy, to bring prosperity and opportunity to all corners of Bangladesh. The anticipation was palpable. As the bridge neared completion, the excitement grew. People from all walks of life looked forward to the day when they could cross the Padma with ease, knowing that a new era of prosperity was on the horizon. The world watched with interest. The Padma Bridge was not just a national project, it was a global story. News outlets from around the world covered its progress, highlighting the bridge's significance and the impact it would have on the region. The eyes of the world were on Bangladesh, witnessing a historic transformation. The early 2000s saw a flurry of activity. Global tenders were issued, the best engineering minds were sought, international donors pledged their support. The project gained momentum, land acquisition began, a sensitive process handled with care and consideration for those affected. Excitement built with every passing day. The dream was becoming a reality. The world recognized the transformative potential of the project. It was a testament to Bangladesh's ambition and its commitment to progress. Challenges arose. The sky darkened and the winds howled, mirroring the turbulence that lay ahead. The construction site, once a beacon of hope, now seemed fraught with insurmountable obstacles. As with any ambitious endeavor, obstacles emerged. The workers, though skilled and determined, found themselves grappling with unforeseen difficulties. The complexity of the project was evident, and the path forward was anything but clear. In 2012, allegations of corruption surfaced. The headlines were damning and the press conferences were tense. The integrity of the project was called into question, casting a shadow over the nation's aspirations. international donors withdrew their funding. The boardrooms that once buzzed with activity were now silent. The flags of support were lowered, and the financial lifeline that the project depended on was severed. It was a setback, a moment of doubt. The officials were pensive. The workers took breaks to ponder their uncertain future. Yet, amidst the uncertainty, a spark of determination began to ignite. In a display of remarkable resilience, the government made a bold decision. The leaders, with unwavering resolve, stood before the nation and declared their commitment to the project. It was a moment of unity and strength. The bridge would be built. The workers, inspired by the government's resolve, returned to the site with renewed vigor. The construction resumed, and the vision of the bridge began to take shape once more, and it would be built with the nation's own resources. The people of Bangladesh rallied together, pooling their resources and expertise. Local materials were sourced, and the project became a symbol of national pride and self-reliance. This was a defining moment. The completion of each milestone was celebrated with fervor. It was not just a construction project, it was a testament to the nation's resilience and determination, a testament to the unwavering spirit of the Bangladeshi people. The community came together, working hand in hand, driven by a shared vision. Their collective effort was a powerful reminder of what could be achieved through unity and perseverance. The world watched in admiration. News outlets around the globe covered the story, highlighting the incredible journey of Bangladesh. The global audience clapped, recognizing the nation's extraordinary achievement. It was a story of courage, of determination, of self-belief. The completed bridge stood as a monument to the nation's spirit. The celebrations were grand, and the sense of accomplishment was palpable. Bangladesh had not only built a bridge, but had also built a legacy of resilience and self-reliance. The construction of the Padma Bridge was an epic feat of engineering. Innovative techniques were employed, a workforce of thousands toiled tirelessly. The bridge, a marvel of modern engineering, began to take shape. Every pillar that rose, every span that was connected was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The project faced numerous hurdles. The river's unpredictable nature, the sheer scale of the undertaking. Yet the engineers and workers persevered, driven by a shared vision. Section 5, a nation celebrates triumph and inauguration. Finally, the day arrived. June 25, 2022. The Padma Bridge was complete. A wave of jubilation swept across Bangladesh. The impossible had been achieved. It was a moment of immense pride, a testament to the nation's spirit. The inauguration ceremony was a grand affair, a celebration of national unity. The bridge stood tall, a symbol of triumph over adversity. The world acknowledged the achievement. Bangladesh had proven its mettle. Section 6. Unlocking potential economic transformation. The impact of the Padma Bridge was immediate and profound. It slashed travel time between the southwest and the capital, Dhaka. Goods and services flowed more freely. New industries emerged. The bridge became a catalyst for economic growth. Investment poured into the southwest region. Farmers could transport their produce to markets more efficiently. The tourism industry flourished. The bridge was not just a physical connection, but an economic lifeline. Section 7. Connecting lives, social and cultural impacts. The Padma Bridge transcended its physical form. It became a symbol of unity, connecting people and cultures. Families separated by the river were reunited. Educational opportunities expanded. The bridge fostered a sense of shared identity and purpose. The bridge also brought about a transformation in lifestyle. Access to healthcare improved. New avenues for social interaction emerged. The Padma Bridge was enriching lives in countless ways. Section 8. A symbol of progress, resilience and unity. The Padma Bridge stands tall as a testament to the indomitable spirit of Bangladesh. It embodies resilience in the face of challenges. It reflects the power of unity and self-belief. The bridge is a source of immense national pride. It is a story that resonates far beyond the borders of Bangladesh, a story of human endeavor, of overcoming obstacles, of achieving the extraordinary. Section 9. A Bridge to the Future, Continued Growth and Aspiration. The Padma Bridge is not just a destination but a starting point. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. This magnificent structure spanning the mighty Padma River is a beacon of hope and a symbol of what can be achieved when a nation comes together with a shared vision and determination. It is a bridge to a future filled with promise and opportunity. As vehicles and pedestrians traverse its length, they are not just crossing a river, they are bridging gaps between communities, fostering economic growth, and creating new possibilities. The Padma Bridge connects regions, cultures, and people, making it a vital artery in the lifeblood of Bangladesh. It inspires future generations to dream big and to strive for excellence. The sight of this engineering marvel instills a sense of pride and ambition in the hearts of young Bangladeshis. It serves as a constant reminder that with hard work, dedication, and unity, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. The bridge is not just a physical structure, it is a symbol of the dreams and aspirations of an entire nation. The legacy of the Padma Bridge will continue to shape Bangladesh for generations to come. Families walk its span, sharing stories of perseverance and triumph. Elders recount the days before the bridge, while children look forward to a future made brighter by its presence. The bridge stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the Bangladeshi people and their unwavering commitment to progress. The bridge is a symbol of progress, of ambition, of a nation on the move. It represents the collective effort of countless individuals who worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. From the engineers and laborers to the policymakers and citizens, the Padma Bridge is a product of collaboration and shared purpose. It is a shining example of what can be achieved when a nation unites towards a common goal. It is a reminder that anything is possible with determination and a shared vision. The Padma Bridge stands as a monument to the power of collective effort and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we look to the future, let the bridge inspire us to continue striving for excellence, to dream bigger, and to work together towards a brighter, more prosperous tomorrow. The journey of the Padma Bridge is far from over. It is just the beginning of a new chapter in the story of Bangladesh.